Hello guys, how are you? Today we learn how to create odd event checker with using HTML and CSS with the front-end design and we write the logic with JavaScript. So this is the basic implement of JavaScript. So if I enter any number like 4 and click over here, so this will show this is an even number. If I enter any odd number and click over here, so this is an odd number. If I don't write any number here and then click over here, so it is a enter a number. Okay, so we will create this using basic JavaScript. So let's start. I use Visual Studio Code. So if you use any code editor, you can use it. First of all, we create a folder. I already created a folder like odd event checker. I open this folder. Now I create a HTML file, that is index.html. So here we write the index HTML codes. Okay, now we open the boilerplate. This is, and here we add the title, that is odd event checker. Done. Now we add a link file to add CSS. First of all, we create the CSS file, that is style.css. Done. Now we link here sty. Done. Now we create now now we install a live server. Wait, I already installed this. You can search over here and install it. Sorry, this is not, this is, you can install it and this will help us to watch our website. So if I right click here and go to the open with live server option, when I click here, it show me my project output. Okay, so let's go. We write a simple code. First of all, we create a box with class name, that is box. And first of all, we create a p tag, that is a heading tag, and I give a id, that is head p. Done. Sorry, head p. Now I write the heading, that is odd even, sorry, odd even checker. Done. Now I create a input where I will enter the number. That type is number, and I add a id, that is input number. You choose any name like, and we add a placeholder, enter number. Done. Now we create the input field. So watch here we enter a number and this is the heading. Okay, now we create a button. So here we go, we create a button like this. B. Okay, now this is type is submit type. Now I will add a id, that name is btn. Fine. Now we close the button tag. Now we right here click. Now we refresh this. Okay, I get this button. Now we, so here this is an odd number, this is an even number. So we use another paragraph tag, that is blank. Okay, I add a id, that is output. Now done. Now we write a CSS. Okay, first of all, we initialize the margin and padding with 0. Done. Now we add the body tag, that is body. Done. Now we add a font family. We use the Arial font family. You can use anything. Now create a display, that is flex. Now align item center for, sorry, align item center and justify content center, and we add flex decoration, that is column, and we add a height, that is 80 pixel is enough. 80 vh. Done. When I add a display flex, this will arrange with column and row. When I use the align item center. It is aligned with y axis. When I add here justify content center, it is aligned with x-axis, middle of the x-axis. When I add this flex decoration column, so if I comment out it, see this, I create a div dot button and I create this over here. Okay. Okay, if I create a div over here like this, I create a div over here, and in the div I put the button. Okay, now we see the click button is under the input field. So now we add some box property dot box, that is display flex, justify content center, and align and same align item also center. Flex decoration is column, and I need a border radius, that is 5 pixel. Now we need a background color for visualizing this. Okay, done. This is awesome. Now we add some width and breadth. Okay, width and height. Okay, done. Now we add a font size, that is approx 4 pixel. Okay, done. That is awesome. Now we add a width and height. Width, that is 800 pixel series. Okay, done. Now we create a height, that is auto. Okay, now we add a color. This color is it seemed like boring, so we add a light color. Okay, wait 1 second. Done. We choose a color that is light grays. We need a grayish type of color, like this. Okay, I need this. Oh, say I need this. Okay, I need this. So over here we add the hashtag and this. Done. Pretty awesome. Now we add a CSS property in the input box. Okay, input. Here we go. Here we add a input number. Okay, we copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we add some property, that is margin margin to top. Okay, margin to top, that is 30 pixel. Okay, okay. Now we add a margin to bottom, that is 30 pixel. Okay, now we select the output field, that is this. We copy this and with hashtag we paste it here, and we give a margin, that is 25 pixel. Okay, now we add the heading tag. This is copy it, and if I paste it here, heading tag. Okay, done. Now we add some property in heading tag, that is margin to top. Margin top, that is 25 pixel is enough. We need space from here. Okay, we get space from here. So now we wait. Okay, now we need this input field width and breadth. So go it over here. Now we add over here. We add a width and breadth. Width, that is 400 pixel, and height, that is 50 pixel. Okay, done. Now we add button, CSS in button. So over here we add a ID, that is btn. Okay, copy it and paste it here. Btn. Sorry, we need to some. This font size is too short, so we need to increasing this. So we add a hashtag what input number over here, and sorry, we need we need this, the box, this is a parent class, and this is a child tag. So we write this, that is dot box, and we give a space. Now we select input field. Now we add that we want to do that. We need, when I type here, the letters are start from the center of the box. So if I do here align item, that is center. Now see, sorry, align items, that is center. Now wait, that is border radius. We need a border radius that is 10 pixel, and border, that is none. Okay, now we add the font size, that is 40 pixel. 40 pixel is enough for this. Okay, but we need to start the letter with the center. Okay, so we need this align item or align content, align item, that is center. Now see this is not work. What is the problem? Align content, that is center. If I do it here, so this is not work. So over here, text align, center. Okay, I will do a I will done a small mistake to here, the text align center. We done it align item center. This is not true. Okay, now we create now we create now we need to do what need to do. We need the enter number, that is a placeholder. We need to increase the size, decrease the size, and we need to the lower opacity. So here we go, we copy it, we copy it and paste it here, and here placeholder, select the placeholder. Here you go, that is, we need to decrease the font size 25 pixel is enough. Okay, 25 pixel is enough. We need to decrease the opacity, that is 0.3. See it. Okay, done. Now I need that, this is outline, that is none. Okay, done. Now we add some CSS on the button. Now we select the button, and we add a color, that is black, and we add a font size, that is 30 pixel. See this. Okay, now we add some width and height. Width, that is 400 pixel, and we add a height, that is 50 pixel. Okay, now we add a margin from top. See it, we need a margin from bottom. So leave it, because we have enough margin for you. Okay, now we add a, okay, here is the btn. I add here the width and height, so it does not increase the width and height. If we add the background color, see it, it is changed. Now we need to do, we need that border none, and we need that. Okay, pretty awesome. We need that cursor must be pointer. Okay, now what will you do? Will you do a color of the button? So go here and choose a color, that is, this is awesome, this color. Okay, so copy it and paste it here. So we get a color. We need to do, this is white, white. Okay, now we see this, pretty awesome. Now we add some property on the output box. Okay, so we need color from output box. We need a red color. Okay, so this will be highlighted red, this is hot pink. Okay, so first of all, we select this output. Okay, now paste it here with hashtag put. Okay, now we display, we need none, but now we don't need, we comment it out. Okay, now we add a margin, leave it. Now we add a padding, Now we add a padding that is 20 pixel, and we add a background color that is here. Oh, sorry, this is over here. Okay. Now we need the color of text, font color. Okay, color that is white. Okay. Now we need some border radius that is 10 pixel. Okay. Now if I add some content over here like this, yes, the width is increased. If I don't write anything here like this dot, I want to hide this dot. So over here we comment it out the display. So over here I write here that none. Okay, done, fine. So I need some margin from the bottom in the button. Okay, we need a margin from bottom that is 10 pixel is enough. Okay, done. Now 10 pixel is not enough. Okay, we need, here we go, we add a margin over here. Okay, we add a margin to top that is 30 pixel. So if I here want to 30 pixel, I get this, I get the awesome view. Okay, okay, done. If I enter a number and a click over here, we need the output. So now we write the JavaScript. Okay, so before the body we add a tag that name is script tag. In the script tag we write the JavaScript. So first of all we need that var of input number that is this. We select this first and paste it here and is equal to document dot get element by id, and here, done. But we don't need the input number, we need the value. I will write it here, I need the value. I don't need the input form, I just need the value. So over here I write here dot val value. So here input number that is stored, the value that I put here. Okay, that is stored it here. Now we now we add button that is over here. Okay, over here we add a bar and btn that is equal to document dot get element by id, that is paste it. Okay, now we add a event listener that is work. When I click here the work will be processed. So I add a event listener on the button btn dot add event listener over here, and I write here click. When I click in the button, so work a arrow function, and over here console dot log, check it first. Okay, clicked, clicked, see it in console. So refresh it and go to in console. When I click it, yes, our button is work. Okay, now close it and go to the code. We remove it. Now we copy this and paste it here, because when we click in the button, the value of the input section, this value stored in the input number. Okay, now we add a if else statement. If input number modulo 2 equals to 0, जो हिंदी वाले हैं वो समझ पाएंगे। अगर इस नंबर को 2 से डिवाइड करके भाग से अगर शून्य मिला तो ये इवन नंबर हो जाएगा, और नहीं तो ऑड नंबर हो जाएगा। ठीक है, now we need to do, we need here when I will not enter any number and click over here, we need to show here enter valid number. Okay, now we'll write it fast, that is input number is equal to, and this is here we write that else if. Then first of all we need to do the none to block, the display will none to block. So if the display will block, we see the paragraph over here. Okay, now first of all we need to change the inner HTML of output. What is the output over here? ID over here. We select this and we create a variable that is document dot get element by ID, and ID is this. We select this. Now we what we say, output dot inner HTML is equal to, I say this, enter a valid number. Okay, now we want to hide, so block this. So now we over here. Okay, this is output. Okay, output, and this is style dot display is equal to block, sorry, below ck. Now done. If I click over here, enter a valid number. Okay, we need to decrease the size because this is too much. Okay, so we go over here and output, that is here we add a font size that is 30 pixel. Now we click over here. Okay, 30 pixel. Okay, done. Now we copy it, and else this is the, yeah, this is the even number, even number. I enter this number and we store it in input number. So if I modulo with 2 and we get is 0, so this is an even number. So we write an else if, and we write it here, that is, oh sorry, this is else. So if is not true, this is must be true. Okay, done. Now over here we copy it and paste it here, and we copy those and paste it here. Here we write that this is an odd number. Okay, now you see this. When I click over here, enter a valid number, I refresh it and I write over here 4. I click it, this is an even number. I click over here 7, so I click this is an odd number. Okay, so our smallest project is completed. So I give you the source code in description, check it out. So this is the smallest project ever. This is the basic projects. Okay, so I will do the basic to advanced level project in the channel. So if you not hit the like button, please hit it and subscribe for the future.